What's going on, guys? Josh Sykes back with you for OutdoorNewsAmerica.com. As always, if you like the content we're producing, if you like our short little intro videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, let us know what you like, let us know if something else you want to learn about or you want us to talk about. Put it in the comment section below and we'll try to get to that. Real quick short video I want to share with you today. This is a product that I recently got in. I found this actually on Amazon. Very cool product. I've been looking for a way to store my AR-15 collection. I've got quite a collection started up here with the AR-15 rifles and pistols, and really trying to find a way to store and display some of those here in the studio. And I ran across this little product. I don't even know the name of the company that makes these, but I will find it and I'll put it in the description below. It says on here TFNUO. And I want to show this to you. I thought this was really, really cool. And basically, all this is just a wall-mounted item. You basically got 4 screw holes here, here, and here. This mounts to the wall, and this little section right here is basically just kind of a mold of an AR-15 magazine. Your AR sits down on top of that. The magazine well slides over that, and the rifle stays mounted to the wall. Now, it does come with some anchor bolts, but I would encourage you to try to find a stud in the wall where this can be mounted to. Now, another cool feature about this little thing that I like, if you look right here, these little serration grooves, this is actually to store your magazine. So you got your AR-15 on top, your magazine down below. Just a really cool little item I wanted to share with you guys. Construction, it's made very, very well. I think you'll like it. You can pick these up online. Anywhere from $10 to $15 is where I found them. TFNUO is what is printed on there. I assume these are probably made overseas in China, but they're made very well. I've been very pleased with it. I think you'll like it. Check it out. I think it'll be a good item to add to your wish list. Would make a great stocking stuffer or birthday present for the gun person in your life. So anyway, just want to share that with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you like the content we're producing. And we'll keep on doing this, and we'll keep on showcasing some product as long as you guys are watching and interacting. So until next time, we'll talk to you soon.